GTW 4914 calling Foreman McFadden, over.
Good morning, GTW 4914 North. What track are you on, 2?
Main number 2, correct, northbound.
Alright, northbound, correct?
Yes, sir, that's correct, over.
Alright, GTW 4914 North, you have permission to enter and proceed through McFadden's Power Plant Works. GBO number 4454, 4454, today's day Chicago sub, between milepost 2.2 and milepost 1.5. Mission pass report at milepost 2.2 without stopping. All personnel and equipment are in the clear, no other speed restrictions other than carrying. TGBO speed number 2, TWO main to single main. And if you get stopped at 16th Street, you got permission on restart without calling them.
I understand Foreman McFadden giving the GTW 4914 North permission in your plan work, 1102 GBO 4454. To retire limits from milepost 2.2 to milepost 1.5, pass red board displayed at milepost 2.2 without stopping. This is for main 2 northbound to single main. All men equipment in the clear, TGBO speed, and also understand if we get stopped at 16th Street, okay for a restart without calling over.
Yes, sir, that's correct. We'll make that all good at 904-0904 by McFadden.
I understand, correct, repeat 904-0904.
Yes, sir, that's correct. See you in a bit. McFadden.
GTW 4914 North, approach Kelly, main 2 out. CN5696 calling Foreman McFadden, over.
McFadden, go with that engine number, over.
It's a CN5696 heading north on 2 towards you, over.
That's 37, right? 37?
Yes, it's 337, over.
Alright, let me see if I can get a window. I'll get right back with you.
Alright, copy that.
McFadden to CN5696 north, over.
CN5696 answering, over.
Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and bring you up to 16th, hopefully for 1110, if not 1130 window, over.
Copy that. Bring up 16th Street for the 1110 or 1130 window, correct?
Yes, sir. You ready to copy?
Ready to copy, over.
CN5696 north. You have permission to enter and proceed through McFadden. Into McFadden Plan Works, GBO number 4454, 4454, today's state Chicago sub, between milepost 2.2 and milepost 1.5. Dispatch report at milepost 2.2 without stopping. All personnel and equipment are in the clear. No other speed restrictions otherwise carried. GBO speed number 2, TBO main. The single main up to and holding at 16th Street for now.
Copy that. The CN5696 north on 2 understands from Foreman McFadden in charge of GBO number 4454 and 1102 from milepost 2.2 to milepost 1.5, today's date on the Chicago sub. We have permission past your red board displayed at milepost 2.2 and through your entire limits without stopping. All men and equipment are in the clear, maximum TGBO speed, and no further restrictions other than what we carry. Main 2 to single main to 16th Street and hold there. Is that correct? Over?
Yes, sir, that's correct. We'll make that all good at 1050, 1050 by McFadden.
Copy that. All good at 1050, 1050 by McFadden. CN 5696 out.
All right, thank you, sir. McFadden.
IDTX 4623 north, May approach here, Kelly.
May approach, Kelly.
1035 north approach, Kelly, main 2 out.